Discover how to retrieve your tabular data on Swiftask. Import the PDF document. Click on Extract Tables. Here are the data you can download by clicking on Download. Let's do the same with a Docs document. This time, let's take advantage of Swiftask's all-in-one functionality and ask the chatbot Claude V2 to process the result. To do this, simply use the Reply button. Write your prompt. Here is the result. Now, here's how to convert your docs to PDF. Try Swiftask now.